I'm Madison Grylls, and this is Tween.Nature, and I am in an old national park that turns 100 today. Ah! 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 A snake! Get away, you mangy! You poor thing. R.I.P. There's a lot of native birds around here. Here is the kookaburra. This one is only young, as you can tell by its feathers. What a beautiful bird. I've just found the most perfect snack. I think it's a couple of years old, but it will do. Dog poo. Now, what I need to do is one thing. Snap this stick. Ooh, very green. And stab it. Get a little chunk of it. Looks very scrumptious. I just gotta get some. Very hard, you know. It smells delicious. Crunchy on the outside, but gooey in the middle. Ugh. Why do I have it on my face? How embarrassing. This, I think, is a 100-year-old fence from this national park. You know what? I don't think I'm very full up yet. So maybe I'll find a grasshopper or some type of insect on this fence, as they do climb a lot. Ah! Oh, how fabulous! I thought it was a fawn, but it was actually a praying mantis. These will be scrumptious. They don't move very much, I tell you. Now it's time to find some shelter. I don't think there's any branches around. But look! An olden day shed! It's so rusty and old. Let's see if it still opens. Oh no, luck. It's very rusty. We'll still try. It won't open. Oh well, I'll just have to sleep under this roof. Wish me luck for this sleep. Good night, cruel world. A sphere! Perfect! A great aim. I just caught a butterfly. I think it's dead. Oh well, bottoms up. Crunchy. I think there's something on my back. It's probably just a leaf. Really? Yep, it's just a leaf. Are you sure? Yep. Are you positive? Madison Grylls, would I lie to you? No. Can you get the leaf off, please? Yes, sure. Is it gone? Yes, it's gone. Just a leaf. Just a leaf. Phew, I thought it was some sort of bull ant or something. No, definitely not a bull ant. Good. I'm happy now. Now I will bring out my pocket knife and cut some wood for fun. What a crappy knife. You crappy thing! most crappiest thing I've ever bought from the Windmillo's shop. Get out of here, you freak. If only something would cheer me up. Oh, it's a rhinoceros beetle. I don't want to touch it, but I guess I'll have to. Be brave, be strong, and mean, and grab this rhinoceros beetle. I got it. Die, 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 die. I think it's dead. Now I will use its horn to cut some wood. Cut, cut. After about an hour of using a rhinoceros horn to cut through my wood, I got a piece. Very thick. But now it's time to make a fire. I have found a national park fireplace, and I've gathered my wood and put it in there, so now it's time to make a fire. To start the fire, I need to grab this. Finally. And then I need to get another piece. Whoops. And start grubbing. This, as you've seen on Madagascar probably, takes a while. I have succeeded in making a fire! Thank you for watching Tween.Nature! And please subscribe all those that have a YouTube account. Oh look! Civilization!